We're at the Applied Ergonomics Conference with an Ergo Cup competitor. Please introduce yourself. Tell us about your solution and what you hope to accomplish with it.
Hi, so I'm Jacob Seidel. I'm an ME at Sikorsky in Stratford, Connecticut. And we have our Rotary-Wing aircraft cockpit install tool. So the CH-53K is a very large aircraft. Just to get an idea, that reference area there where the crosshairs are is actually about 7 feet high when you're in final assembly. So one of the things that we have to install are these bucket seats, which are over 100 pounds each. And before we had this tool, we'd have to manually lift it in with 3 to 4 people. So you'd have to walk up into the cabin, go up more steps into the cockpit, and then in the cockpit we have wire routing, there's clips on the ground, there might be other units that are populated in the area at the time. So just a lot of areas for ergonomic risk. So what we did was we had in-house design of this sling tool that we can attach to the seat. And utilizing our overhead crane in final assembly, we can now eliminate all manual lifting associated with these components, and then it just lifts it up. There's one person on the ground controlling the overhead crane, and there's another person inside the cockpit ready to receive it. So when this gets close to the cockpit, and you'll see it on this video as well, once it gets to here, the person receiving it can articulate it and move it however they need to get it inside the cockpit. So we're showing the seat being used for this. We've also modified the tool to be used with our cyclic controls and collective controls, which are about 30 pounds each. So again, by our standards for our in our facility, that would require at least 2 people to lift. So again, just eliminating more ergonomic risk. The tool itself is about $14,000 to produce. And for 2 aircraft in 2021 alone, because we're low rate production right now, we're already able to record $34,000 in labor savings. So along with labor savings and ergonomic risk reduction, we're looking at over $21 million saved over the life of the program. So lots of ergonomic risk eliminated for no manual lifting, some direct labor savings, and just a simple solution to a lot of ergonomic risk.
Sounds great. Sounds like a great idea, and good luck on your Ergo Cup.
Thank you. Appreciate it.